Hi, this is just a quick presentation on how to use the procedure Proinq. Proinq is a program that will allow you to see what product is out there on order. You can see it by item, by vintner. It's just a quick reference, so it's just Proinq. There's two different views you can have. There's a condensed view that shows 10 different columns, and there is a non-condensed view which shows just 3 columns. Basically, you're seeing the same information. If you pick the not condensed view, you're only going to see 3 of these columns. So I'm going to go into the condensed, and you can see we have 10 different columns. Your non-condensed view would only show 7, 14, and 21 days. So, if you don't want to, see what you have at 30 or 60 or 90, you can always go into that view. I'm going to just pick wine here. I'm in Cincinnati, so I picked Warehouse 6. And the aging date is just the, you can leave this at the default, and it looks from now, 7 days out, 14 days out. You can also put a different date in, and it's going to look at those different date ranges depending on what date you actually use. So then hit enter here. Now you can, on this screen, you can go to a specific vintner. If I want to go see Banffy, this will take me to the top of Banffy, and I can kind of page through. And you can see here that it lists at how many days out each of these orders are. Now this, this 21 days might not be exactly 21 days, but it's somewhere between, after 14 but before 21. So, it could be 15 days, but it's showing in this column because you'll have it by then. Another thing you can see here is you can look at totals. And this is going to show you the total cases by vintner that are on order. The beer works exactly the same way. So anything I show you here in this screen is going to be exactly the same for beer. If you wanted to see by dollars, you could look at dollars, but cases are probably more relevant. To get out of this, just hit enter. Takes you back to the original view. If you want to look up a vintner, you can click view vintners and find what you're looking for in the list and go to it. If you've paged down a few and you want to go back up to the top, just hit top and it'll take you up there. And that's really just a quick overview of how it works. I can pop into the beer real fast just to show you. It's going to look exactly the same, except for it's going to be by brewer. So there's our totals of the brewers. And that's about all it is. It's just a quick tool to help you kind of get visibility on what's out there on order, and it's available now. So, use it if you think that it's valuable. Thanks.